morning class 2 students. So welcome to our English online class. Okay. So as usual I am asking the question. Okay. What we have learned in the last class? Yes, we have completed the explanation part of the chapter number 11, that is the Balloon Man. Okay. Hope all of you have read this poem at least 2 times, and you have also cleared, or you are also completely clear about the difficult words with its meanings like tug, string, etc. Okay, and this is the picture about these balloons we have learned. Okay, so again I am revising briefly that there is a balloon man. The poet says about the balloon man that he comes to the market days and stands in the market square, okay, just to sell his colorful and big and small balloons. So while selling the balloons, he doesn't think of his lunch. See, he is completely always dedicated to his work, that he has to sell all the balloons. But at last the poet also thinks that perhaps it may happen that balloon man leaves all the balloons to the high, and all the balloons will sail in high, and we will see all those pretty balloons standing below. So this is all about the poem. Okay, so today we will start with the exercise section. Okay, so just open the page number 74. So just you have to turn the page. See students, this is the question corner section, and as usual you have to first read the instructions. Okay, so the instruction, it has been given that choose the correct answer. Among these 3 options you have to choose the right one, and okay, you have to put a tick mark. Okay, the balloon man can be found in the balloon shop, or in the market square, or in the garden. What will be the right answer? Yes, the balloon man can be found in the market square. So you have to put a tick mark at B. Okay. Next, number 2. What does this line mean? And never seems to think of lunch. The answer is whether it is the balloon man never has lunch. He eats snacks frequently and so doesn't need lunch, or he is so busy that he has no time for anything else. Yes, the answer is he is so busy that he has no time for anything else. Okay, so put a tick mark. Next, the poet hopes that the balloon man will give her some balloons for free. The balloon man will let all the balloons fly in the sky, or the balloon man will become rich by selling the balloons. What will be the answer? What the poet hopes? Yes, the poet hopes that the balloon man will let all the balloons fly in the sky, so that everybody will see this pretty scene by standing below. Okay, so answer is 3B. Next, which of the following is true? The poet is sure that the balloon man will let all the balloons go, or the balloon man will not let the balloons go, or the poet plans to buy all the balloons and let them go. Yes, the right answer is the balloon man will not let the balloons go. Okay, so answer is B. So put a tick mark here. So in this manner, this MCQ we have completed, and now turn the page or open the page number 75. Okay. See students, complete the following sentences by filling in the blanks. You have to fill these blanks with the right words or group of words. Number 1. The balloon man comes on dash. The balloon man comes on market days. So in the first blank you just write down market, and the second blank you just write down days. So answer is the balloon man comes on market days. Next, the colors of the balloons are dash, dash, dash and dash. So you have to you have to write down 4 colors. The colors of the balloons are, write down red, next purple, next blue, and next the last one is green. Okay. The colors of the balloons are red, purple, blue and green. Number 3. On a sunny day, we can see the balloons dash far away. On a sunny day, we can see the balloons where? We can see the balloons, they are shining. Okay? They are shining far away. Next, some balloons are dash and some are dash. Some balloons are big and some are what? Small. Next, the balloons start to tug when there is a dash. The balloons start to tug when there is a wind. So in this manner, we have completed these blanks. Okay. So now these are the questions which are available in the textbook, and now I will write down some of the questions and important questions and answer with its answers in the notebook. So be ready with your notebook. So open your notebook. So students, you have to open your notebook and first write down chapter number 11, and you have to write down the topic name, that is the balloon man. So I am writing some of the questions and answers. Okay, you have to just copy down all these questions and answers in your CW book. So the first question is question number 1, that is name the colors of the balloons. So write down name the colors of the balloons. So name the colors of the balloons. So how many colors have the balloons? So write down, the answer is, the colors of the balloons are, the colors of the balloons are, first one is red, purple, blue and green. Okay. Next, question number 2. What does this line mean? Ant never seems to think of lunch. Write down the question. What does this line mean? The line is, and never seems to think of lunch. Answer is, it means balloon man is so busy. Balloon man is so busy that he has no time for anything else. Got it, students? This means, it means balloon man is so busy that he has no time for anything else. Then question number 3. Question is, when does the balloon man come? Write down. When does the balloon man come? So answer is the balloon man comes on market day. So you have to write down the balloon man comes on market days. The last question is question number 4. When there is wind, what happens to the balloon? So write down. When there is wind, comma, what happens to the balloon? Answer is when there is wind, the balloon start to tug. Okay? Answer is when there is wind, comma, the balloons start to tug. Okay? So these are the questions, 4 questions which we have derived from the chapter. And so be prepared with these questions. And you at the end of the video session, you just watch this video 2 times and copy down all the answers in your textbook as well as in your CW book. Okay? And do practice of these questions. Okay? So see you in the next class with a new chapter, new explanation section and a new exercise. So till then, bye-bye.